Menteri Rangba Kajala u Conrad ke sangma menta ka khat ar tarik nai lur araja ar phaulai ula ong ba umpat la ban ong ban Pyrshah ne kershan ya ke uniform civil code ne UCC namar umpat yo I ya ka jingtho ula kan tha ya kito ki ba Pyrshah ya ka UCC klempat tip ya kadang kadu habakali halor kane ula ong ba kumno en Pyrshah ya ka UCC klempat yo I la shai Lada ka UCC ka ong ba barok kari India ka de ban bot ya ka Jait kami kumbali ka Jait ban riu khasi bat garo Hato en Pyrshah ya ka ula ong ba omde ban syukran dak ba shumut dur klem ka jingtip klem ki jing shisha.
That if the UCC, as and when you're asking me to oppose it, suppose the UCC says tomorrow, I'm not saying it will, but I'm saying if the UCC has things that's saying that the UCC will be in terms of the lineage, from now on India will be lineage towards the girl child, and so the lineage will be from the mother, and so this is the new UCC.
We are not anticipating that, sir.
No, I'm not saying. So what are you anticipating? So I don't know what to anticipate is what I'm asking you. What to object is what I'm asking you. UCC, you're asking me to come out with something, resolution on what? Give me a document. Then I will tell you whether I can object to it or not. Because tomorrow, suppose UCC says that the lineage will be from the mother, I think Meghalaya will be the first one to accept it. I'm asking you for details. So therefore, what I'm saying is we can't go for anything under assumptions. We are running a government out here, and as a government, what I'm saying is that a UCC in general, if you look at it as a thought process and as an idea for a diverse nation like country, looks very difficult is what I'm saying. So therefore, it's not something that can go very easily for a country like India, is my stand. But what to object or not to object or resolution to pass depends on what is it that the UCC is coming for. Without seeing the document, I cannot comment is what I'm saying.
But the
nation is only taking views. Where is the bill? You have to give me the bill to read, and then I'll tell you whether I support or don't support. So if the bill says tomorrow that whole of India will become a material in the country, I think maybe Meghalaya will be the first one to support.
Is there